welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey, and as you can tell, today I'm taking the workout outside because the weather is finally beautiful in Arizona. So I wanted to take advantage of it and take you guys through a 10-minute HIIT workout to the Arizona sunset. So as you'll see in this video, the sun goes down pretty quickly, but it's hopefully gonna be an enjoyable workout that you can enjoy some great mountain views. So even though this workout is only 10 minutes, I say this with all of them, but I was dying by the end of it. And it's pretty simple in the structure. We're gonna do every exercise for 40 seconds on and a 20-second rest. And we're only going through this one time, but if you're feeling up for the challenge, you can absolutely do this workout another time. And as with all of my workouts, I am gonna show a beginner version that has no jumping and is low impact. So if you want to swap out one of the rounds doing one of those exercises, you absolutely can. The idea with high intensity interval training workouts is that you wanna go at your maximum speed. So in this video, I'm going at my maximum speed. Yours is gonna be maybe a little bit slower than me, maybe a little bit faster than me. You can set the pace for this video, but just go as hard as you possibly can during that 40 seconds. And lastly, make sure that you pause this video when you need a rest. Do not feel any shame in doing so. Again, this workout is for you and to do to the best of your ability. So have fun with it, play some of your own music if you don't like the music that I play, and let's get our sweat on.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Smell of your hair. I'm here in a bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always, 'cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Just watch me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Watch me. Just watch me. Life was dull until you came. I